I'm here for this small little video to show you the lather test for this soap which I had made earlier. It was with little hearts and the fragrance I had used was Love Spell. It was for Valentine's Day, and today I will show you what is the lather like for this soap. It's been 4 weeks, in fact more than 4 weeks since I made this soap. So let's see what the lather for this one is like. This is not the actual how the soap looks. This was just the little batter that was left. Hold on, I'll just show you all what the actual soap was like. This is what the actual soap was like. I had 2 heart embeds inside and 1 on top. So it was this purple soap which smells lovely. This was the little leftover soap batter which I had put in a small mold. So this I would use for myself, so I'll show you all the lather for this one. Don't mind the mess around because I just made a batch of Japanese cherry blossom soap. So I normally like to wash my hands even though I wear gloves. I like to wash my hands after I make soap. So I said, since I'm washing, I might as well show you all what the lather is like. Just a little, and look at this. Look at these beautiful bubbles. Oh my god, this is really, really lovely bubbles. Wonderful, wonderful, smooth, textured, lovely soap with wonderful bubbles to go with it. It's really like a luxurious, beautiful soap. If you all think you'll want to buy it, you'll want to see what it is like, you all can visit my website, which is www.itssimple.us, and you all can order the soap. I also have an Etsy store which is SoapsbyItsSimple on Etsy. You all can go there also, but I wouldn't have this soap on the Etsy. It will only be on my website. You all can order it there if you all would like. And if you all would like to see the video for this soap, that is on my YouTube channel. If you all want, I can give you all the link to it in the description, so you all can see what was the soap like when I made it. And that was the lather. Look at this. Wonderful. And this is not even warm water. This is just cold tap water. It's not warm water, it's just tap water. It's normal tap water. Look at that. Alright friends, so that was for this small video. Please do hit the subscribe button if you like to see these videos. Okay, I'm sorry guys, a phone call came and my phone switched off the video. So as I was saying, if you all like to see these videos, please do subscribe, hit the like button if you like this video. Do hit the bell button if you would like to get notified when I post the next video. Please share if you think it will be useful for others, and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.